Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the exception. Read the traceback to find the exact line. Once located, inspect the dictionary and the key you expected to exist, print or log dict. Keys, and that key so you can see mismatch. Then, instead of direct indexing, use dict. Get key, default, or test with if key and dict before accessing. This prevents the crash and gives you control over fallback values. Make sure to consider whether a missing key indicates bad input or an acceptable absence. Once done with the basic check, address complex structures. Normalize incoming keys by trimming whitespace or converting to the correct type so lookups match. For nested dictionaries, either use helper functions that walk keys safely or use try/accept key error blocks around explicit accesses. Consider collections, default dict or dict. Set default to ensure subdicts exist rather than failing. Also, add small unit tests or assertions for expected keys to catch. You finish by refactoring call sites to use the safe patterns you chose. Get with defaults, membership checks, or helper accessors. Add logging and small unit tests that assert expected keys so changes upstream fail fast. If a key error still occurs, inspect repr, key and type. Key to reveal hidden characters or type mismatches, then trace back to the producer of the data. One key troubleshooting tip. Toggle verbose logging around the failing access to capture the exact runtime contents that lead to the missing key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.